Good morning, class. Welcome to today's lesson. The title of our lesson today is Computer Hardware. Computer hardware. We are just going to go through the introduction. This is just an introduction of computer hardware. We will not go in depth. I will introduce computer hardware today, and then the rest of the week we're going to continue learning more about computer hardware and its importance and how it works within the computer system. To begin, I will start by defining computer hardware. What is computer hardware? Computer hardware refers to the physical components, the physical devices that make up a computer or a computer system. The physical devices or components that make up a computer or a computer system. What do we mean by the physical devices or the physical components? We mean when you have a computer or a computer system, if you can touch it, if you can feel it, you look at it, you can touch it, it is hardware. If it is something you can carry, you can pack, if it is a physical device, it is computer hardware. For a more comprehensive definition, we say this is the physical equipment used for input processing and output activities in an information system. So it can consist of computers of various sizes and shapes. This includes your cell phones, your mobile handheld devices. The cell phone that you have is computer hardware. It doesn't matter what kind of phone, but it is computer hardware. It includes various input and output and storage devices. It includes several telecommunications devices that link computers together. So as long as it works with and is part of a computer system and it is physical, it is computer hardware. We move on to the categories of computer hardware. Categories start with, we have 6 categories, and the first one is input devices. Input devices are these that we use to enter information or commands into the computer. We enter information that we understand, and then the computer processes it in a way that it understands. And then we have output devices. This, after the computer has processed this information, we have to receive it in a way that we understand as well and recognize. So output devices are the hardware that we use to hear, see, or recognize the results of the processed requests. Storage devices are those that store information for a later use. Then we have processing devices. Processing devices are examples. We have the CPU and the RAM. The CPU interprets the software that we have, software, and coordinates all the hardware, and the RAM is a temporary holding area for information and software. And then we also have telecommunications devices. These send information to and from another person or a computer in a network. And then we have connecting devices that allows you to connect your peripherals to your computer. What do I mean? Peripherals are things like your phone. Your phone, when you need to connect it to a computer and you don't have a direct connection, your cable becomes a peripheral. So those are peripherals. And to end, I'm just going to show you a few examples. This is a bit of an old picture, but it just shows you the categories of hardware. We have the keyboard, which is an input device. We have the compact discs or CDs, which are storage devices. Maybe hard drives and memory sticks. We have the video card, which is a connecting device, or we can use cables. We have the CPU. We have the cable modem. We also have Wi-Fi routers. We have fax machines. Those are for telecommunications. And we have the monitor. The monitor most of us know, which is an output device. And this is where we're going to end our lesson for today. When we come back, we are going to go in depth into computer hardware so that we can understand how computers work and so that we may be able to make use of the technology we have. We will not be able to make use of it if we do not understand computer hardware. Have a good day.